In this video, we're showing you how to recover your old WhatsApp account without needing your SIM card. To get started, open WhatsApp on your device, navigate to the Chats tab, and then tap the three dots or three lines located in the top right corner of your screen. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and select Help. Within the Help section, tap on Contact Us. Here, you'll see a text box where you can type your concern. For example, type a message like, "How can I recover my account without a SIM card?" After writing your concern, tap the next button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring you to a new page where you'll need to select a reason for recovering your account. For instance, choose stolen account if that applies. On the following page, you'll find detailed instructions on how to recover your account. If these instructions don't resolve your issue, scroll to the bottom of the page and answer the question asking whether the information helped by selecting No. Afterwards, tap on Send My Question to WhatsApp support. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation message with a ticket number letting you know that WhatsApp is reviewing your request. At this point, all you need to do is wait for a response from WhatsApp support. Once they contact you with instructions, simply follow them carefully to recover your account without the need for your SIM card. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.